Good day, everyone. So, welcome to our weekly analysis. Yes, so today we're going to look at gold for next week. Gold, as you can see, we've been in an uptrend, and this is the weekly time frame. So, as you can see, the previous week here closed with this hammer. No, this is a shooting star. See, indicating a little bit of rejection here. So probably if we go down to the daily, as you can see, 2 days of drop, that means we'll be looking for a third and maybe on fourth too. Like gold is still in an uptrend, but we want them at least to drop back to this support area around 2670. You know, it's still very much bullish on gold. Gold is not going anywhere but up because given the situation that is going around the world with Ukraine, Russia, Israel, with their multiple countries that they're fighting with, so investors are still marching to this. But if it's dropping for now, it's either here on 2670 or the next one that I'll be looking at will be this other one here, around 25, 28. But most definitely it will go up. So today it started by going up. I'll look for sales today, really. So if they maybe this is the 4 hour, if they come maybe around this area here, maybe somewhere in there. Let's see how it goes to 1 hour. Yeah, so that's way too high because on the 1 hour there's fair value gap. So if they can come back in here, I'll start looking for sales. Yeah, somewhere there. So my anticipation, because you can see this was a resistant area and it rejected on the 4 hour. It rejected this area. So a retest of that area, I would sell. Yeah, most probably. So if I go on the daily chart, maybe, where do I do that every time? On the daily chart, it will be something like maybe like that, and then back higher to, as you can see, we're in an uptrend, lower, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, then to go and create another higher high. Or if they come below here, for me to say that they're now reversing and start a downtrend, it's if they come and take these lows here and come and retest this 25-30 area, yes, and maybe that's when we can do something like that. But as long as they still hold this support area here, they're still going up. For me to say that they're not going higher or, I mean, lower, it's for them to come and take these lows and to break these lows here, maybe come around to the support around 25-30, then retest the highs of 2750, then go back down. Until then, if they're respecting the support, we are still going up. So that's my take on gold for the next week. For me to look for buys on golds, they have to come around 2670, somewhere there. Yeah, until then, I'll just keep on looking at the market, and especially given that this week there is elections in the United States. Yeah, we should be very careful how we trade. We should be very, very conscious uh, of our trades this week. So yeah, that's my take on gold. And then what other pair can I look at for you guys? Yeah, GU actually. GU look enticing, even though it's a little bit tricky for GU. Hmm, let's see. Let me look at Euro USD. Well, right. Uh, um, I'll try to analyze GU, but with a grain of salt, really, because of how these elections are going to affect the market, really. Yeah. So GU, this is the weekly candle. As you can see, I had placed that line over there in the middle of that weekly fair value gap to say that if the markets get there, it's going to react somehow. And maybe we can look for a possible uptrend move for GU. Last month, let's see how last month closed. Last month, we did move lower. Sure. We did move lower. So this month, maybe we are still creating that monthly shadow because I'm bearish on GU, really. Very much bearish on GU. So on the weekly, uh, I like this reaction here. I wanted to see how the market is going to react here. And on Friday, the market was like on the daily. Okay, this was on Thursday. On Thursday, it's pushed down, got into this fairly gap here, reacted a little bit like as if they were going up. On Friday, they did went up, but they rejected the area. They rejected the area, and we can see now GU going back higher. So what I would suggest, like from my analysis, really, this is a call to say maybe they are going up to this fair value gap here. See somewhere there around 1.3238 price for them to continue lower. You see, because it's fair value gap to fair value gap here. So if they pull higher, maybe to these fair value gaps here, I would see them go down. For this week, that's my anticipation for the week ahead. Also, at the same time, be very mindful, very, very mindful of what do you call that? the elections in the United States. So let's see how this week plays out. If they come up here, that's about how many pips? Let's see from where the price is right now to this, that's about 200 pips. So yeah. So that's the move that I'm looking at. If we drop to the 4 hour, but now to the 4 hour, it's a little bit contradictory of what I've just said. You see, the 4 hour, well, once the 4 hour and the daily do not correlate with me, it's always a sign that the market might do anything really. You see, we still see because that fair value gap on the daily wasn't filled or like wasn't touched, but here we can see it was touched on the 4 hour. It was covered a little bit, and sometimes they don't need to fill the whole gap. They just have to, tip in and then go down. So the 4 hour for me, it's just saying maybe this will be a move somewhere there, and then continuation down. So those are the two analyses that I have on Geo. It's either they go higher to fill that daily fair value gap, then go down, or they're not going to go back higher, and then they'll just keep on creating more inside liquidity, and then go down. That's on Geo. Yeah, and maybe come below here around, yeah, maybe around this area here, 2768. Yeah, so possibly just tread carefully. Just tread carefully with the elections in mind, really. Be very careful. Anything can happen. Yeah. So that's it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. You can also if you want our private signals for our VIP group, you can join us and become our partners. And then in those groups, we share our analysis, we share our entry points, and everything. So yeah, go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, join our WhatsApp channel, and please do press that notification button too here on YouTube whenever we upload new material so that you can be notified. Yeah, thank you, and on to the next one.